D. Suppose that wheat is trading at a spot market at 800 per bushel. Since bad weather caused a decrease in supply during the previous harvest, market participants expect a bountiful harvest in about 6 months, which is expected to drive the market prices down to 500 per bushel. Forward prices with delivery dates after the next harvest are trading at a range of 500 per bushel. Required, explain how an arbitrager could attempt to profit from above prices. So what we just need to do is to explain how you can be able to earn riskless arbitrage profit. And we can say, so this is D, we're looking at D right there. We can say, the wheat, what an individual can be able to do is to buy wheat forward contract. The contract itself is like this on paper, like that. Then take delivery of wheat by paying how much? By paying, in this case, by paying 500 of it, by paying 500 shillings over there. Then sell the wheat at the spot price. The spot price in this case is 800. Spot price at the spot price into brackets 800, like that. And then the riskless profit, riskless arbitrage profit is, we can say, 800 minus the 500, like that. We are saying it's going to be 300 shillings, like that. That is what we are saying an arbitrager could be able to attempt to profit from the price differentials in the different markets over there, like that. So this brings us to the end of question 3. We hope that you'll be able to join us for question 4 and question 5 as we conclude May 2017 block revision. Thank you and God bless you.
Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to get yourself a copy of our professionally prepared study text and revision partners. Visit our shop along Tom Boyer Street, Pioneer House, 3rd floor, opposite Fire Station.